Good morning, students, and welcome to this class of English. And today, I, Pankaj Singh Thapa, welcome you in this vivid session of English class. Dear children, today we are going to study something very fascinating, and I definitely hope that you will also get enthusiastic about it, because you know what I'm talking about today, that is creativity. And nobody is there in this world who does not love creativity. Yeah, if I'm talking about creativity, I'm talking about sketching, I'm talking about drawing, I'm talking about calligraphy. And I think all of you love these things: drawing, sketching, calligraphic writing, all these things, since childhood. So children, today's topic is a very nice one, and it's going to benefit you in your forthcoming life. So children, once again I welcome you in my class, and now I will discuss our today's topic, and it is poster designing or poster making. So children, poster making is an art, and I believe that you will also get master of it by your sheer determination and grit. If I talk about a poster, actually what is a poster? I think children, the first thought which has come in your mind would be of an image, a drawing, a sketch. Definitely children, a poster is something sketchy. We sketch something. Not only we sketch images and pictures, we sketch texts also. We sketch calligraphic handwriting also. And why do we do that? The purpose is to convey the message to the audience, to a larger audience. Children, we live in a society, and society is interlinked and interrelated also. So children, poster making is a nice art. So let's begin with our topic of today. So if I talk about poster, so what is actually a poster? How do you define a poster? If I ask you what is a poster, can you just make it with your pen or pencil? According to me, a poster may look like something like this. So children, a poster may look like this. It would be a combination of image plus text, and this image and text may convey a message. So, and that thing would then be called what we are discussing today, that is poster. So children, poster making, again I am saying children, it's an art. It's sheer creativity. So children, your image plus text, when displayed in such thing, and what we call this thing, it is called placard. So placard means something to hold like this. On the top there is a cardboard covered with white paper, and on which some drawing is there and some written message is there. So that we can call as a poster. So poster we can define that actually it's a placard or some chart piece on which some image and text is there to display, to just convey a message, and it may be for announcing something or advertising something. So posters are also related to advertisements. Alright children, although advertisements are completely different from posters. Posters are different, advertisements are different, but still they have something in common. And what it is? They are for announcing something. They are for conveying some message. So children, by now I think it's clear to you that what is a poster. Now let's come to the purpose, that what is the purpose behind making a poster. So children, posters are created to create social awareness. Various topics may be there, that is, it may be related to our day-to-day life, like save animals, save plants, save water, conserve electricity, save girl child, girl education, adult education, Indian economic scenario. So many topics are there on which we can make posters, and these posters are to create social awareness, and these posters are to advertise also. Children, you might have seen exactly some van is there and it is covered with placards, banners, posters and charts, and that they display something. Suppose a polio vaccination drive is there from the Health Department of India throughout the country. So in the loudspeaker there would be an audio which will get played regarding the polio vaccination drive on such and such a date, and same thing would be written on the banner or poster. Then date, time, venue when the polio vaccination would be there, and then there will be your issuing authority. Definitely the issuing authority in this case would be the health department. So what we will do? Polio vaccination drive on the top in bold, then date, time, venue, venue means place, and then on the right hand side bottom margin you will write the name of issuing authority, means the authority which has issued that poster. So if it's a case of polio vaccination drive, then it would be the health department. So children, I think now it's clear that posters are for advertising also, and they are also for passing a social message. Now when we are clear that what is a poster and what is the purpose behind making a poster, so now let's come to the technical part, that is how to draft a poster. So children, posters must be drafted very carefully, because we have to excite the neurons inside the human brain. The person who visualizes that poster, who just sees everything, must get acknowledged with what we want to convey to him. So our poster must be eye-catching, whether it is image or it is text. Both must be nice, and a nice presentation must be there. Then children, a very important point that must be noted down by you, that posters are read from a distance. So when posters are read from a distance, it means they must be highly clear. A clarity must be there. Then only our message will get conveyed. Otherwise, it would be a wastage. So children, please keep again in mind that posters are read. So text or image, both should be correct. Fine, nice, accurate, clear, and to the point. So that is the essence of how to draft a poster. Children, next, talking about some features of poster, some characteristic features of a poster, that how to design a poster. So if we talk about the main features of a poster, so the posters must be visually attractive. Definitely, when you have to strike the neurons inside a person's brain, so whatever we present in front of him must be highly attractive and it should be applaudable. Only then the person will follow that. Next, the title must be catchy. The main theme behind your designing the poster must be clearly conveyed to the person who is seeing the poster. So your title must be visually attractive, catchy. You can use slogans, but please avoid jargons. Generally, what happens? We use jargons. Jargons are the words which are particular to any language. Suppose in America, different kind of jargons would be there. In India, different kind of jargons would be there, according to that local or particular local language. Okay, local area wise the jargons vary. In Uttarakhand, different kind of jargons would be there. In Mumbai, different kind of jargons would be there. You know, the changes which come in the language which we speak. Different kind of typical words are there in Mumbai, and different kind of typical words are there in Haldwani, Pithoragarh, Bageshwar. So they are known as jargons. So please avoid jargons. Don't give it a local look. Yeah, you are showing it to the local people. So they must be related to the locals, but avoid using jargons. Use slogans, and catchy slogans they must be. Then children, you must use letters of different size to segregate different things, topics and ideas, as well as you must use different font and styling so that your poster is clearly visible. It should not give a messy look, otherwise everything will get cooked in one bowl. And would you like to eat if it is there in one bowl? Generally in a buffet system, when we go in a party, what happens? One plate and everything is getting messed up, whether rice, dal, vegetables, salad, everything. So this is, a different thing, but actually I want to convey here that don't mess up all the things. Write clearly, write short, write exact, which directly hits the person's brain who reads it. The next thing is there, your sketching and drawing. So as I told you that your poster consists of image plus text. So children, your sketching or drawing, you may not be an artist to make or to design a poster, but your drawing should be fine enough so that it could be easily conveyed. Don't make childish drawings. It would look not good. So children, next is a proportionate spacing. As I told you, when in one plate you have dal, rice, vegetables, curd, salad, then sweet dishes, everything in one plate, then definitely it may not look good. You wouldn't like to eat that dish. Although everyone knows that everything gets mixed up inside the stomach, but still we don't want to eat in that manner. We want the presentation in a nice manner, so that we have that savor to eat that thing. Alright children, so proportionate spacing must be there when we are designing a poster. Spaces must be there. Then if you come to contents, you must write the theme or the subject on which you have made the poster in a clear manner. Then you have to give the details of the theme, and then essential details like date, time and venue. Children, I gave you example of a polio drive program. Then what is there? If polio drive program is there and it's going to be organized in every hospital, every primary school, the NGO workers are there to give polio vaccination, then what matters? The exact date on which that vaccination program will take place, exact time, set like morning 9 to 5, and then place or venue where it would get organized, generally your nearest primary school, and then the issuing authority, then it would be the health department in this case. So children, when such kind of poster is there which wants to just give a message to the readers, then date, time and venue must be clearly mentioned, and at last issuing authority, the department which has issued that message. Next thing which comes is your expression. So expression, and everything depends on expression. We generally say that first impression is the last impression, although it is not perfect in every case. But you know, the first impression makes a person to develop some kind of thoughts about you. And if he has developed positive note about you, definitely he will move on with that thing only, until and unless you commit something very difficult for him to digest. So children, your impression, your expression must be nice. So you must use phrases and slogans to write your poster. Creativity should be visible from your poster, and there is no limit to creativity, children. Sky is the limit to make the poster more creative. Sequencing must be there, proper sequencing of the theme and the words and thought must be there. Otherwise, if what happens, suppose if it's article writing or if it's a speech, you are giving a speech and you are saying conclusion in the beginning and then your description and then introduction, what will happen? Total blast will be there, you know very well. So proper sequencing must be there of your thoughts or the theme which you want to convey. And the one thing which must be remembered, children, that this question, poster making, speech writing and invitation letter. So there is a choice in between these three topics, and this question is of 3 to 4 marks. So children, word limit is 50. So you have to write in 50 words. Alright children? You have to write in 50 words. So as it is a 3 to 4 marks question, so there is no need to waste much of your creativity, your time in just 3 to 4 marks question. So spend perfect and proportionate amount of time in that particular question, that is your poster making. So children, I think I have discussed a lot at length with you about poster making, And I will give examples to you of different kind of posters which may be asked in exams, and some posters which you can make on your own to just develop your creativity. So children, I hope you have got benefited with this video lecture, and I hope you will apply this knowledge in your forthcoming exams or test. So I'll explain about poster making in my second part of this video, the details, examples and many other things. And therefore I hope you may have understood today's topic. So I wind up my topic for poster making today for this video lecture. Hope you may get benefited. Again I am saying, and till then, goodbye. Thank you.